AI-powered recommendation engines for dynamic email content. What is it? AI-powered recommendation engines for dynamic email content are algorithms that use machine learning and natural language processing to personalize email content in real time. They analyze subscriber data, behavior, and preferences to recommend relevant content, products, or offers to individual recipients. Key benefits: improved engagement. Personalized content increases the likelihood of subscribers opening, reading, and interacting with emails. Increased conversions. Relevant content and offers lead to higher conversion rates and sales. Enhanced customer experience. Subscribers receive tailored content that resonates with their interests and needs. Data-driven insights. AI engines provide valuable insights on subscriber behavior, preferences, and demographics. How does it work? Data collection. AI engines collect data from various sources, such as email interactions, browsing behavior, purchase history, and demographics. Model training. The AI engine trains a model using machine learning algorithms to analyze the collected data and identify patterns and relationships. Content recommendation. The trained model generates personalized content recommendations for each subscriber based on their unique characteristics and preferences. Email deployment. The recommended content is dynamically inserted into email templates, creating a personalized email experience for each subscriber. Types of AI-powered recommendation engines. Collaborative filtering recommends content based on the behavior of similar subscribers. Content-based filtering recommends content based on the characteristics of the content itself. Hybrid filtering combines collaborative and content-based filtering approaches. Popular tools and platforms: Salesforce Einstein, Oracle Marketing Cloud, HubSpot, MailChimp, Marketo,